Okay, as we have promised you a while ago to start training course. So today is the day we start in training course, and everything starts not from here, not from this place, not from the deal. Start from the kitchen, upstairs.
Let's go.
Come.
Follow Alex. Potato room.
That's where we starting from our lesson. This business starts from a potato. It's two things, main thing, preparation, yeah? Potato and fish. Fish we will show you afterward, but first we start with potato. We will teach you how to
What is this?
peel. This is the peeling machine, called rumbler. This disc at the bottom is turning. Water goes in, like I can show water goes in. You see, the water goes in, bottom turning around, and it's like a cheap stone gluing into a bottom on the 80s, and potatoes goes around rumbling and just peeling. That's it. Okay, lesson number one. How you open it back. If you can see the back, you can see. Yeah. What you do, in the middle, ripping paper off, then up, up. That's it, back's open. Okay, student, turn on.